So before discussing the atomic simulation recipes, I'm going to say a little bit about the atomic simulation environment, ASE, which some of you might know about already. So today there are a number. Python is quite a popular language for writing tools, libraries for atomistic simulations. But I think ASE was probably, if not the first, then at least one of the first Python packages of this type. So the main idea of ASE is to regard DFT codes as a black box that can provide energies and forces. So I've tried to make a schematic of that down here. So we have an interface here between our ASE package and the DFT code. So the DFT code simply becomes a black box or an engine that